Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a shortcut to our magnification by using a side button and volume up button. So how to set up this shortcut? We have to go to settings, of course. Then we are looking for accessibility options here, and in advanced settings we have a few options. For example, side and volume up buttons. Right now there is no shortcut, so let's use magnification here and let's see if it's working. So side button and volume up button simultaneously. Yes, it's working. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.